Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 20, which is how to prove trigonometry identities. So this part is my personal favorite. If you are scared about this part, totally don't do that. This is so easy, and then this is way nice questions. Because once you've done it, you know you're doing it exactly right. Otherwise, you either can do it or cannot do it. There's no wrong answers. Once you've done it, you know you're doing it right. You're trying to prove trigonometry two sides of equations is same. Okay, so there's only one trick here. So we have all trigonometry identity hexagon here. So if you don't know what is this, please go back to my tutorial part 4 or part 3 to review that. This is also the most important concept for this kind of questions. Okay, let's just quickly review that. The diagonal, sine, and then cosecant are the reciprocal function. So I mean sine times cosecant equal to 1. Secant times cosine equal to 1. Tangent times cotangent equal to 1. And then also we have tangent functions equal to sine function over cosine functions. And that's it. So the trick of doing this kind of question is convert everything to sine and cosine function. And that's it. Let's see here. So we from the equal sign, we're trying to left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, so if we see non-sine and cosine functions, we convert it into sine and cosine. The tangent equal to what? Tangent equal to sine functions over cosine functions. And then secant equal to what? Secant equal to 1 over sine function. Okay, because secant function and the sine function are reciprocal. Okay, so these things divided by these things equal to sine x over cosine x times sine x over 1. So this is 1 over sine x divided by 1 over sine x equal to times sine x over 1. So just equal to sine x squared over cosine x. And done. That's exactly same. This part and this part are same. So we finished. We don't even do anything to the right hand side. This is already simplified. Done. Make sense? This is a very simple question. Prove tangent over secant. Same thing. Tangent equal to sine functions over cosine functions. The secant function equal to 1 over cosine functions. Right? Secant and cosine are reciprocal. So sine over cosine divided by 1 over sine, which is times cosine over 1. Right? This is things flip up the top. So cosine and cosine cancelled, just equal to sine functions. Equal to right hand side. Finished. That's also very simple. Okay. To save some space, I remove these things. So I don't have enough space to draw the bottom part. Okay, so let's remove this as well. Okay, so using different color pens so we don't confuse ourselves. Okay, the proof these things equal to sine over cosine. Just this part, left hand side, equal to cosine x squared. We don't need to change anything. Over cotangent. Cotangent equal to cosine x over sine x. Why? Because cotangent and tangent are reciprocal. Tangent equal to sine x over cosine x. So the cotangent equal to flip of tangent function, which is cosine over sine. Alright? Okay, so these things equal to what? Cosine x squared divided by cosine x sine x just equal to cosine x squared times sine x over cosine x. Cosine x and then cosine x squared cancelled one of them. Just equal to sine x and then cosine x. Done. Exact same. Okay? So this is very straightforward questions here. The next one, clean these things. Okay, the next one looks a little bit hard. Actually, is totally not. Secant x cosecant x. So secant x equal to 1 over cosine x. Cosecant x equal to 1 over sine x. Or cotangent x, which is cosine x over sine x. Make sense? Alright, so on the top, just equal to 1 over cosine x sine x, and on the divide by these things, which is times the reciprocal sine x and then cosine x in the bottom part. Sine and the sine are cancelled, so this is equal to 1 over cosine times 1 over cosine, which is equal to 1 over cosine x square, right? So 1 over cosine x is what? 1 over cosine x just equal to secant x, and then square just equal to the bottom. That's it. Okay, so this kind of question is very straightforward, but don't be so happy. Then in tutorial 20b, I'm going to show you a little bit hard questions. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. I will answer your question in my next video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.